Hi guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make salt egg yolk recipe. Salt egg are traditionally made from duck egg, but today we gonna use the chicken egg. And this one is used in filling of the traditional mooncakes, steamed bun, steamed egg, custard, and many more recipe. And usually the normal way will take 4 months to make salt egg, but today we need just only 7 days, and it's absolutely delicious and easy to make it. So if you're ready, let's get started. The main ingredients is salt and vinegar. And you can use any egg, duck egg or chicken egg, but today we use the chicken egg is because easily to find it. But if you use the duck egg, it's got bigger yolk than the chicken egg, and the most of the time we will use for the salt egg yolk. The first step, we gonna put the egg into the vinegar for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you can see the eggshell it has a bubble. It means the eggshell is thinner because vinegar. And after 3 minutes, we coat with the salt all of the egg and then put in the container. And we gonna do this in the same method for other eggs. Let that sit for 7 days. In case if you want the yolk egg is too salty, you can keep a bit more time, but for me 7 days is enough. And after 7 days, crack them all into the bowl and then clean them with the water to remove all coating of the yolk egg. And you can see it's solid now. After wash out for the excess white egg, it's so shiny and it's beautiful. You can see this. It looks like a gummy sugar. And the next process, we need to cook them. We put in the oven for 110 Celsius and put for 10 minutes. And now it's ready. You can use as many desserts like a pastry, mooncake, steamed bun, and other things. It also can be cooked with many other ingredients like a tofu, crab, shrimp to bring its rich oily, salty flavor. Usually the normal way will take a month to make salt egg because you have to soak the egg into the solution, but today we just use only 1 week and then we can get it. It's absolutely delicious, easy to make. I hope you guys give this try for this recipe.